betrayed Nnamdi Kanu because he was my friend. At the time Nnamdi Kanu was arrested, he was my enemy. I was looking for him to kill him. He was also looking for me to kill him. So I promised him that I would smoke him out. So how did I betray him? He don't even know the meaning of betrayal. Sir. Months before he was caught, I told him I would smoke him out anywhere he is. Go and check my previous videos. So it's not a new thing. How will I betray my enemy? I've even held myself back for not talking about him any longer. So don't allow me to go back and start talking about him and spoil matter for him. Eh? Keep your lane. Day your day, make a day my day. I beg you.
You see, the problem with these people is that their illiteracy, their level of illiteracy knows no bounds. Have you people actually tried to look up the meaning of betrayal in the dictionary? Do yourself a favor and pick up a copy of any dictionary of your choice and look up the meaning of the word betrayal. How do you betray your enemy? You only betray your friend. Alhaji and Nnamdi Kanu have been at war with each other, just like I myself and the Nnamdi Kanu, the newly convicted international terrorist Nnamdi Kanu, have been at war with each other. Two people that are seeking the destruction of each other. Then one defeated the other. You are not telling him he betrayed his enemy. How do you betray your enemy? How do you betray your enemy? Nnamdi Kanu had been making noise, telling you how he will deal with Alhaji Asari Dokubo. Dito Ijele speaks. And now, we did everything under our power to put him where he is. I can't take all the credit. Of course, Alhaji Asari Dokubo is the #1 person that dealt with him. All the available information that was used to destroy the Ekperima. I'm sure Alhaji is one of the people very close to the presidency that helped pass it on to the right quarters. So he did not hide it. He did not pretend to love Nnamdi. He just made his intentions known, as Nnamdi Kanu made his intentions known too. Please accept your L and move on. There is no betrayal in the outcome of any issue between two enemies. You can only betray a friend. So you people should just stop this wailing and moaning. It won't help you. Once again, you do not betray an enemy. He defeated your Nnamdi Kanu, so just shut up and stop making noise. What's with all this noise? Oh, betrayal. Betrayal as who? As what or who? In what way was he betrayed? So you are calling me a betrayer for destroying my enemy? Are you okay? Like, you people are not ashamed. And the worst part is that you are doing it in the name of Igbo. So it means all the Igbo are just as stupid as you people. Because you people are the most useless people in Nigeria. You went to war with somebody, lost, and you're here crying betrayal. Turn about the chapel me Ijele. Umutobo.
Ekenekwa m ni Undermine again. Tama mnene isigo that video kita because I don't know why. Ebe ọbụna a na-eme ihe ọjọọ ka na-afụ dị Ijele. Ebe ọbụna yi ekwu okwu ajọ ihe about Mazi Nnamdi Kanu ebe aka ya afụ Ijele. It is so sad because na enwe ihe pacha gbasego na ego say that na nwoke onye ọbụla niile onwe ya onichakwa na onwe ya na ofu aka ya adịkwa n'enu ana. Ijele is so sad that na this type of play na-agba nwee ka o si dị. Onwe ko jide enwe mmadụ ya emegide isike na mmegide ka etu break and ka etu gap. Etukwa na break etu gap so that ka onye ọzọ na-apụta na ebe mmeke gịnị wee mara nke ị na-eme nwe. Mana ịma mpụta mgbe ọbụla ịpụta na social media space na-asa okwu Mazi Nnamdi Kanu ka etigbuo ka ezogbuo. Now let's take for example ugwu na Mazi Nnamdi Kanu ada emeti ya. Onye gburu nwanne ya bụ odogwu. Onye gburu nwanne ya bụrụ odogwu na ndị be anyị. because na ka esi kwa eme ya n'ụwa ka esi eme ya n'eluigwe, because I from the need for all this tigbu ezogbe mgbe ọbụla, because it's so sad na ikwantị ka m kwuo ya na Ijele may be doing the right thing in his mind. Omaro that na ya n'ụwa na-enwere ndị position go onwe ha in a high places that na you cannot touch who they love. Despite the fact now so many people hate Tinubu, man, there are some things you cannot say about Tinubu Gafri. There are some things you cannot say about Tinubu Gafri. There are some things you don't do. Man, as long as only Igbo mgbe ọbụla na-afụgị, ebe ọbụla na-afụgị bụ ebe ọbụla enwe propaganda against ndị Igbo. Ebe ọbụla na-afụgị mgbe ọbụla enwe propaganda against Igbo. Kedu ihe ị na-akwele Asari Dokubo for? The other time you say na photo with you, Mbose no afọ gị na airport with Eli Mohammed. Do you have intention of contesting for president of this country? Because now ka m gwa gị na there's a saying that says na ị na-elesi ndị ilo nwanne gị nwoke. Every day pete ikpọrọ nwanne gị nwoke lesi ndị ilo, echi kpọta onye ọzọ lesi ikpọ ndị ahụ na ị na-elesi ha did not even trust you, because ebe ihe ele nwanne gị, who are they to you that in a blink of an eye that you could not also wrong them? Ọdịọkwa na mma ka esi eme n'ụwa ka esi eme n'Enugu, biko na onye ọbụla ma Ijele si jekwa je dụwa ya ọdụ. And Asari Dokubo on his part, yes, isi go na gị na Mazi Nnamdi Kanu bụ na-agba oke na ngwele. Mana do you even think and consider some of the things ị na-ekwu n'ọnụ? As Asari Dokubo nọ today, kedu ihe anyị asị nwoge na Asari Dokubo nwe? Nwa onye na-amara Asari Dokubo as a militant, ex-militant, ọbụkwa na ọbụrụ kịta. Enwe video ya mfo that na ọ na-ekwu that na this as long as this country the concern that no nwere onye ya stop nwe ime bọnkịrị. Ọ bụ na ịmara bọnkịrị ka nkọwalụ gị bụ bọnkịrị bụ ndị a na-eji agbapụ paịpụ mmanụ. Ọ sị na as long as Nigeria the concern that nobody can stop him from ime bọnkịrị, na just that na he doesn't want to do it. So if somebody can open his mouth with that type of thing in a situation like this, in a country like this, kedu ihe onye ahụ ya ụdị onye ahụ egbu nwunye gị nwere ihe ya eme gị? Ọ dị mmadụ aka Ijele na-eme associate to ebe ya wepụta na a na-ekpuchi ihe ọjọọ ime. He always find himself as if no nwa bụ the most righteous man enwe na Nigeria. Ijele wepụ aka enwe n'ofe before ọwa aka mmadụ, because na a time will come one nọ na ya bụ a transition of movement. One day this our phase will pass away. Another phase that is coming behind us. What are they going to learn from you? Will you want to live a life whereby now a time ago your name becomes an obstacle to your children? You may go these things gafe. A time comes when somebody will have to relate history to the children where matter that in so time there is somebody called Chukwuma Ofegbu Ijele where mal Elias Udele. That nekwa afa nwa bụ Ofegbu Chukwuma ompagi ngwasi ebe apụ. You becomes a problem to the generation coming. Whatever legacy are you going to leave behind? Ke legacy na akwado hapụrụ ndị nọ n'okpuru ndị na-apụta apụta. So biko na asịkwa m ka m weta this video. Unu solu m wee nene. Ama m ka na-enecha biko kabakwa na arụ na subscribe na our channel, because subscription adị ya mkpa. Alele the numbers na agbago. And enweta opportunity biko to go more further. Click like, click share. Onye ọzọ share na group, share na Facebook, Telegram, WhatsApp, TikTok. Ebe ọbụla ihe share video, share ya ka onye ọzọ na-afụ ihe na-afụ. Don't nwezikwa ka isi wee dị less busy na necha video. Iti comment again na comment section. Ka ọ dịkwa.